Hey everyone, I'm Neely, a product manager at GoDaddy by day and a freelance website designer by night, and this is your April 2021 Hubdate. All right, so we've got a lot of Hubdates here for us. Let's go ahead and jump right in. The first Hubdate I have for you is the launch of site maintenance packs. So by default, a lot of the features inside of the hub are absolutely free. The updates, the optimizations, code snippets, monthly backups for manual performance checks, and manual security checks. But we've added the ability to automate a lot of this and increase those backups. So site maintenance packs is a per site tier subscription model that provides you with everything that you have in the free version, but also some automation and scheduling as well. So with backups, you can set up weekly, daily, every 12 hours, every 6 hours, manual backups. You can download them at any time. You do automated performance checks, either weekly or daily. You do automated security checks, again, weekly or daily. You can also do some uptime monitoring as well, so you know whether or not your site goes down and it'll notify you right away. There's a lot more to come with this site maintenance pack, but this is just the beginning. So you can purchase these packs in either 5, 50, 100, or 500 site licenses, depending on where you're at with your business and how many clients you manage. The great news is that if you're using managed WordPress hosting at GoDaddy, these premium site maintenance tools are actually free for you. The next update here for you is bulk comment management. So now you can view all the comments for your WordPress sites or review them one at a time if you want to do that. But it lets you approve or disapprove them, mark them as spam, trash, or delete comments a lot more quickly and a lot more efficiently, saving you a ton of time. Next up, we've got comments on projects. So now you can leave comments on projects. It's a handy tool for keeping track of updates or reminder. In the future, we expect this functionality to expand so your clients can also view and add and update comments to your projects as well. But this is a great foundation to keep you on track with your projects. You can also delete projects now. Before, you can only archive them and they would end up in this list here. But now if you just want them gone completely, you can just go over to this little actions button here and then click delete. And this one I'm super excited for. We're testing out some new homepage functionality, and we've randomly selected 50% of our hub users and made these updates available to them. So right off the bat, we have the GoDaddy hosting status. So we're giving you some visibility into the site errors on your websites, so you can kind of dive in and see what's going on. Right now, it's only for managed WordPress sites, but the other ones are expanding and coming soon here. So you can see an overview of all the sites and the errors here, but if you want to deep dive in a little bit more, you can pick a site at random. Hopefully this has errors. It does. And you can kind of see what's going on here. So we see here is someone try to access the test page, some JavaScript, some probably not the best things, and they're getting a 404 error or 401 error. But you can kind of keep track to see if your site's getting some 500 errors, 400 errors, whatever the errors might be. This is where you can keep track of it here. We've also added the GoDaddy Pro benefits right on the home page. So you can see your awesome discount you get just for being a GoDaddy Pro user. You can check out some awesome events happening near you, whether they're meetups or virtual conferences. There's dedicated ticketing support, so you can get quick access and get the help that you need. Exclusive offers on GoDaddy products and our partners, or you can just view all of them here. And we've also added a community as well. So the best part of being a website designer, in my opinion, is the community behind it. So you can ask questions, answer other questions, check out some recent posts to maybe learn a thing or two, or even help out others in the community outside designers, because there's all sorts of people in this community. So you can help out some small business owners while you're in here as well. And last but not least, we've added a What's New widget on the home page. So now you can get a quick update of what's going on inside the hub at any time just by accessing this home page and checking out the cool new features we're adding all the time. Those are your April 2021 Hubdates. And if there's a feature you want to see inside of the hub, go ahead and let us know in the comments below. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel while ringing that bell to get these episodes first. Again, I'm Neely, and I'll see you next month.